This video is sponsored by Best No Copyright Music. I'm often asked where it is I get the music that I include in my videos. The answer to that question is Best No Copyright Music. Whether you need music for your own creative needs, your own videos, or you just want to vibe out to some of the best tunes on the web, Best No Copyright Music. Link to their channel is in the description.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? I hope you enjoyed your summer and that you're ready for autumn. So you just got your all-new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro, and you're wondering what the best straps, best watch bands are to pair with your new device. Well, I've got you covered in this video. I run the gamut with different types of straps, my favorite ones for different occasions. I think I've got about 12 in total, don't quote. I went through about 30, 40, maybe even 50 before cutting it down. Now, another thing to note is that every single watch strap I show you in this video is a quick release strap, so easy to put on, easy to take off. And of course, I've got links to all of these watch straps in the description. Another thing to know is that any standard 20mm watch strap will work with your Galaxy Watch 5 or Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Those made specifically for the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, and even the Watch 4, will have this design here where there's virtually no gap between the watch and the strap. Some of the straps I show you will be designed that way. Others will just be standard straps. Some like it this way, some like it that way. So again, all of these straps will work with either the Watch 5 or the Watch 5 Pro. But let me start with this one, this D-buckle strap from Samsung, which comes with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And I love the way this thing is designed. It is a really, really nice watch strap here. I like the no gap design. I like the color. It contrasts with the titanium body of the watch very, very nicely. Just a sporty but really nicely designed strap overall. It takes a bit of fiddling with to get it to the right size in the beginning, but once you size that up, hopefully you won't have to change that very often. So this is really, really nice. You know, if the strap that came with this watch, like the one that came with the Galaxy Watch 3, wasn't nice, I wouldn't recommend it. But I really do like this one. And of course, if you got the black Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, this strap would be black as well. So let me just put this on for you. This is gonna run you about $79.99 as of the filming of this video. Again, just a really nice watch strap. A casual look. You can work out in it, but you can also, you know, like I said, a casual look. You can throw on jeans and a polo, shorts and a t-shirt, whatever. And this goes really, really nicely, really well with it. So this is the Samsung D-buckle watch, magnetic D-buckle sport band, I think is what it's officially called. Again, $79.99 for this one, if you are purchasing it separately, but it comes with your Watch 5 Pro. All right, up next, we've got the Samsung hybrid leather strap that was actually for the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, but you can still buy these from Samsung. And actually, the link I have in the description, it's a little bit cheaper than buying from Samsung. And this is just a really nice strap here, especially if you want a slightly more formal look. The genuine black leather contrasts nicely with this titanium. And again, it has that no gap design, which is really nice. I get a lot of questions about whether you can work out in this. And you can, but I think your leather is going to age a little bit more quickly if you do that. It's comfortable on the skin with this silicone, but it's not quite designed for working out with. So this is a little bit more of a formal or semi-formal watch strap to wear with your Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Also the Watch 4 Classic, of course. And you may recognize this strap. So let me put this one on for you. And here's how it looks. It's a nice watch strap, in my opinion. Again, a more formal look. That no gap design. Some like that, some don't. Nice. It's comfortable. It looks good. It's straightforward. This is the black Samsung hybrid leather band. Up next is the white Samsung hybrid leather band. Same design as the black one. Of course, this one, though, is white. This was the one that came with the silver Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But again, it's made to fit future Galaxy watches as well, including the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. And as you can see, that no gap design fits absolutely perfectly with the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. And though this one can also give you a more formal look, I feel like the white makes it a little bit more casual as well. Really nice color for the summertime, or really any season, but it's nice. You can wear this casually. It's nice with a polo or any kind of shirt, jeans, slacks, shorts, whatever. This is a nice watch strap. The leather gives it a nice premium look, and it contrasts nicely with that gray titanium. This is how this one looks, the Samsung hybrid leather strap in white. And as of filming this, the link I've got for you in the description, this will run you about $32. The black one runs about $39.99. And sticking with leather here, this is my favorite brown leather strap for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Really nice here. This one can be worn formally, semi-formal, casual, all types of situations. The perforations really make this one nice, clean stitching as well on the sides. I really like this watch strap. Here it is on the wrist, and this is an example of one that is just a standard watch strap. It doesn't have that no gap design. Some prefer this, some prefer the no gap design. You know, it doesn't matter too much to me, but I like having a mix of different designs here for this Galaxy Watch. And again, just a really nice strap here. It goes with just about any and all situations. A nice brown leather, a cowhide sort of tone of leather, and the perforations make it a little bit breathable and just make it nice overall. In fact, the perforations offer a nice contrast there because they're black inside of them. So again, real nice. This one will run you about $15.99, and there is a really nice black version as well, which I'll show you right now. And here it is, the black version of this strap as promised. Again, really nice. The stitching on the sides, I don't know if it shows up on camera very well, but it's more of a brown. It's more of a tan, I should say. I don't know, it shows up a little bit white on the camera. It is darker than it is. And these perforations are actually more on the brown side as well, not white. So anyway, really nice black leather strap here. Just well designed, well made. Again, it's genuine leather. This also runs you $15.99 like the brown version here. And again, formal, semi-formal, casual. This will go with just about any occasion. And here's how it looks on the wrist. And these types of straps, if you're the type who likes to wear your wristwatch more on your forearm, this can work with that. An elegant design, comfortable, and goes with just about any occasion. And up next, we have what is, quite frankly, probably my favorite of these Galaxy Watch strap options, or at least the one I tend to keep on my watch the most. This is a nice sort of designer Gucci style strap. It's silicone. It's very comfortable. It's very nice. I get compliments on this one, on this strap. Well, they say nice watch, not nice watch strap, but again, I like this one very much. And you may have seen this in a previous video that I made, although it was a regular design for it. Now they have a no gap design. So I picked that one up. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. And here's how it looks. This Gucci style silicone watch strap. Again, real nice. And you know, you could pass for this being on the semi-formal side. I think I stick to casual everyday situations with this watch strap, but it is a really versatile one, and it's really nice. And again, all of these go with the Watch 5, Watch 5 Pro, and really they also go with the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic as well, all these straps. So again, a link in the description for this Gucci style strap. I think you'll find it affordable. And up next, we have this perforated orange silicone band from a company called Alpine. And you may recognize this one from my Galaxy Watch 4 straps video, where I showed my favorite ones there. It's a 20mm strap, so of course it works with the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro as well. This was one of the favorites from that video. I really love it as well. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. And here you have it. Really nice watch strap, this one. Contrasts well with silver or titanium gray here. And of course, it'll go with black as well. How this one looks. And I hope I'm not going too fast for you guys here. I don't want this video to last forever. Kind of want to get you guys in, give you the full scoop so you can be on your way and order the straps that you want. Up next is another orange strap for your Galaxy Watch. And this is a silicone sport watch here, made of a soft silicone with a bunch of perforations. Really good for working out, but also just a really nice watch strap that you can wear daily. And I don't know, orange just goes really well with men's watches here, orange straps that is. So let's put this on. Here's how this looks. This is one of those with the no gap design, or at least a minimal gap. Fits very comfortably. Here's how it looks from the side there. This one will run you about $15.99, and I forgot to mention the previous one I just showed you, the previous perforated orange strap runs you about $18.95. And up next we have this canvas camouflage strap from Barton. A lot of people know Barton, pretty well known watch strap and watch accessory maker. I really like this one. I came across a bunch of different camo ones, and this was definitely my favorite. Didn't have a bunch of extra stuff on it, pretty straight to the point, and canvas is just a nice material to have with camouflage. Here's how it looks on the watch. Real nice here, contrasts well with that titanium gray. Put it on the wrist for you, and here's how it looks on the wrist. I think this is a real nice watch strap. Again, that canvas just goes real well with camouflage, and this is a nice casual watch strap. You can wear it with shorts and a t-shirt or jeans or what have you, maybe an army green or brown polo. Real nice watch strap here. And up next we've got this black camouflage design strap. This one's made out of silicone, and you see it's got that no gap design. Let's put this on. Real comfortable, real easy to put on the wrist. Gives you sort of a dark gray black look here. Nice black camouflage, contrasts well with any color of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that you have, but again, it'll work with any Galaxy Watch 5 and any Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic as well. And up next we've got this multicolored knitted or braided strap that is elastic, and it just gives you a different look here. Real casual, again, a nice summery look, maybe even a good fall look here. It's got nice shades of blue, black, nice shades of gray in there, and a couple of fall colors in there as well, orange, yellow, and red. I like this strap, and I've gotten compliments on this one as well. Again, just if you want to switch it up, something different, a braided sort of knitted strap here. Again, it's elastic. You make sure you get the right size. If you're buying this one, you'll see in the link I have in the description, there's like a large and a small and a medium for this thing here. Again, it's elastic, it's not a huge deal, but you'll want to size your wrist up so that you get the most comfortable fit. And finally here, our last watch strap is this black silicone sports band with sort of a highlighter yellow perforation. This sort of colorway and strap design has been a favorite of smartwatches since, well, not since they came out, but let's say for several years now. And it is a time-tested design. People love it. People going to the gym, jogging outside, or really just wearing it casually. It is a nice watch strap, and here's how it looks on the wrist. It's got that no gap design, so there's a bit of a taper on those no gap designs, which I like, and I think especially looks nice on larger wrists like my own. And here's how this looks. I should loosen this up a little bit. It is a comfortable fit though. Of course, you've got plenty of different options as far as your fit is concerned. That's better. Yeah, straightforward, not much to say about this one. Great for working out or just being out and about on a weekend. So yeah, that's it. These were my favorite and what I think are the best watch straps for the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Again, these also work on the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. Let me know which one was your favorite, if any at all. And of course, I've got plenty of more coverage of Samsung's 2022 Galaxy lineup ahead, including a bespoke Z Flip 4 coming in that I'm excited about. So get subscribed if you want to know when that video drops. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.